Hello guys and welcome to my channel. One Piece chapter 991 is here. Finally, we had to wait 1 week. We had 1 week break, so we technically had to wait like 2 weeks. So, yep, it's here. To be honest, I think so. This is one of the weaker, not one of the, this is a weaker chapter of One Piece. Like, if any other manga, I think so, like this level of chapter is gonna be good, but since it is One Piece, according to like those standards, it was a bit weaker chapter, but it was not bad at all. So we first pick up where we left off. That's with Drake and Luffy and people there. So everybody's shocked that Drake is here. They're like, yes, okay, Drake is one of the Tobiropo, and then Drake kinda goes, like, sees a flashback of I forgot his name. He was a Kobe. Yes, Kobe. He gets a flashback of Kobe, where Kobe is telling him that if Luffy is your friend, like, it's really easy to reach out to him. He will help you and stuff. But if he's your enemy, then yeah, it's gonna be really difficult to reach out to him. So. And he also tells him that Luffy has the power to attract people that we have already seen throughout like 900 chapters of the series, almost 1000. So, okay. So Luffy just straight up asks, Drake, that if he wants to, defeat Kaido, and he says that yes, like both of our objective is same, but I just can't tell you the reason. Of course, understandable, since he is under like as a part of a secret government organization. And then Zoro jumps in. He's like, don't use any of these tricks in this confusion, and tells Luffy that he's working for Kaido, just like Hawkins. Understandable from Zoro's part, because always Luffy has been just making, like, he doesn't think a lot about making decisions. He just kind of, he just, like, in terms of alliance or anything, he just says yes most of the times without even thinking. And even like if he meets someone, he's like, okay, join my crew and stuff. But Zoro is a bit level-headed. He thinks more logically, so he's like, maybe this guy is trying to confuse Luffy and just trying to, get close so that he can, maybe get get a good hit on Luffy and betray him and stuff. So yeah, he's jumps in on Drake, and they both are kind of clashing with their swords. And then Drake mentions that I'm out of his, like, he's out of that position that he has been kicked. So I think so what Drake actually meant was that like, I have been kicked out of the position because I'm not working with them. They caught me. That's what he meant, but Zoro doesn't know the full story. So he's like, just because you were kicked, so you're gonna just change sides. And then Frankie goes like, yeah, how can you just trust a guy like that? From like their perspective, yes, it makes sense, but we know what actually happened. So, and also Jinbei says something I genuinely did not understood how like what he meant. Maybe the dialogue in the official translation is gonna be difficult, but this one, it was really confusing. He says that don't approach Luffy, ex-Drake. Even in the world of pirates, there is goodwill. Now, I don't know what did he actually meant by that. I genuinely did not understand, so I don't know what he meant. But then Luffy's like, it's okay, he will join us as an ally. It's the same with it's the same with like Law. It happened in Punk Hazard, where he asked Law if you're gonna betray us. He said no, and then he was like, yeah, it's fine, everything's fine. And same, I think so here. It seems like kind of it is a comedy moment, but like Luffy's reaction, it seems like he's serious, and the other people's reaction, I don't know, it might be a comedy scene, but I'm not sure unless it is adapted into the anime. So I don't know who calls him. I think so it's Jinbei. Like Frankie says, like, what is okay? Like, that's not okay, of course. And then Jinbei, I think so, calls him, shut up, you idiot, captain. And then somebody, those samurai that are trying to like clear the way for Straw Hats. One of the samurai tells Luffy to go to like the castle, and then Drake says, "Is it normal?" ? And then that also confused me. I don't think so this is the right, like, this is the correct translation. So official translations might, like, it's better to wait for them, but it's One Piece, I just can't wait. So that's why I just make reviews on whenever the unofficial one comes. So then both of those come, that girl with the horns and mask and the guy that was with him, with her. Then as they were trying to attack Luffy and Sanji, Usopp just fires a green star, and this is gonna be a good comedy moment. The girl asks, who was it? And then there's like, what's his name? Usopp just just hiding behind Nami. And I think so he's making a girly voice. He's like, he goes like, it's me, Nami. And this was like, I did it, etc. And then it's Nami turns around and just slaps him. This is gonna be a really good comedy moment once it gets adapted. So yeah, comedy in One Piece is always really good. So yeah, this was a really good scene. And then Nami also goes like, since like the fight has already started, bring it on, and just runs. Like, yep, this is exactly, I think so she got possessed by Joseph Joestar's ghost or something. She says, yeah, the fight is on, so yeah, bring it on, and just runs. And then also Usopp goes like, your words and actions don't match. So I think so this is gonna be really good, hilarious like comedy scenes. As comedy scene once it gets adapted. So Sanji tells Usopp to take care of Nami. I don't know why did he do that, because like mostly Sanji would just go with Nami. Of course he likes to make sure that he protects Nami and Robin. So I don't know why did he left Usopp with her. And then Sanji and so okay, so I don't understand why Sanji left her with Usopp, because both of the guy and the girl, those are together, the duo, they were going after Nami and Usopp. So I don't know why Sanji left them, but for some reason Sanji went with what's his name, Luffy. I think so this is because, as I told you, like in the previous video or the one before that Zoro is gonna be fighting king or queen. Zoro and Sanji are gonna be fighting king or queen, depending on who they fight. Like they're gonna at least fight one person. So I think so that's why Sanji came here, and the other went there. I think so Usopp and Nami, Yamato might save them. That's how I feel like things might turn out, but of course I'm not sure, it's just a speculation. And then yeah, they are going to fighting Appu. I don't know what his name is. I really don't know what his name is. I forgot. The musical guy. That's who they were fighting. So yeah, what do you say? Luffy tells Sanji to cover his ear. So okay, I'm gonna be honest. I forgot what his actual powers are. Can he control people with music? I'm not sure. I forgot what his actual powers were. So yeah, please forgive me. But he uses, of course, music. So they had to what do you say? Cover their ears. And then he says something about you're not going to be escaping this silent fight or something. And then yeah, he's, I think so, completely done, like drunk. He's totally out of it, I think so. And then we see one of the numbers. He's using, I think so, the other number's body. I think so, whatever the guy's name is, the music one, he's controlling one of the numbers and using the other number that has been beaten as, like, let's say as a projectile or throwing stuff. Like that's what he's using the other number as. So yeah, Franky just goes there because he says that there are 10 people. I think so he meant that there are 10 numbers in total. So 3 have been defeated by now, so there are 7 left. And Franky goes, I don't have enough cola for 10 people. So I don't know, I think so those 10 people they are talking about are the numbers. But then why would Franky say that there are 10 people? Because since 3 of them were defeated already. So, and then the guy is kind of the number. I'm not even sure if that is the number. Like I think so. But they call him Hacha. That's what they call him. So I don't know if he's a number or not. Maybe he's not a number, but I think so he is a number. So he thinks that Franky is a toy, and Jinbei, as you know, like he is really experienced. So he goes like, Franky, you have to leave here, jump from there, because samurais won't be able to handle this guy if he goes wild, because since like he's just like such a huge giant. Of course he's an ancient giant. And then we still Zoro and Drake are clashing swords. And then he also goes, what do you say, that your victory is good for me. I think so that should be enough to convince you that I'm gonna ally with you and not gonna betray you. But then Zoro still goes like, you still haven't told me your position yet, like why exactly are you doing this and stuff. So that's what he asked him. And then I'm gonna call him Appu, I think so that's what his name is. I don't know, I'm not sure. That musical guy just kind of tries to interrupt and gets smacked by Zoro and Drake. So and they ended up deciding that it's not worth fighting. Zoro kind of I think so Zoro gets it now that he's gonna be with them, he's not gonna betray them, so they are like, yeah, let's just fight that guy. So I think so they're gonna be fighting him first, and also Drake goes that he hates that guy the most, so yep, they're gonna fight. And then as soon as they were gonna fight him, Queen shoots some bullets, and then Drake goes like, as if those bullets can hurt me. And okay, no, he says that he thinks that bullet, the Queen thinks that those bullets are gonna hurt him, but then he says, what could that bullet be? So maybe that bullet is made of something that can hurt Drake. I think so that's what it is. And then we switch to the Minks and Kaido, and here we see like Jack is almost defeated, almost done, and Kaido has to jump in because the Minks were just going crazy. And I think so it was the two Minks that ended up into like what were they named, Nekomushi, and the other two Minks that were the main Minks, I think so those guys were fighting Jack, and Jack was just almost done, he was beaten. And Kaido, Jack apologizes to Kaido, and Kaido goes like, it's not that you were weak, but they are just really strong, so it's not your fault. And then Kaido goes like, you're not gonna escape my attack this time, and tries to attack the Scabbards. I think so he tries to attack the Scabbards and wings everybody. And then Kinemon just comes in with a cool ass moment, and he uses his Firefox style and clashes with Kaido's fire. And I think so that they kind of had a like equal firepower. So yeah, I think so the attack, both of their attacks nullify. Wait, okay, let me phrase it in a better way. Both of the attacks nullified each other, so I think so those were on equal level. And then all of the Scabbards go, it is a panel of like every Scabbard, and they go that, don't make me laugh, we are not gonna escape, we are done hiding and escaping. And then there's one more dialogue that I think so will be different in the official translations. They go, please let us die here as Lord Oden's samurai, and we will take you with us. I don't think so, please let us die here as Lord, I don't think so that's what exactly is gonna be. I know what they mean, they're like, we're gonna die as Oden's samurai, and we're gonna take you down with us, but I don't think so they're gonna say please let us die here. So I think so that might be different. But yeah, that's it in the chapter. Like Kinemon had one cool moment, we kind of know like Luffy and Straw Hats are on board with Drake joining them, not joining them, but kind of forming an alliance to take down Kaido. And yeah, that's it, that's all happened. We didn't see Big Mom yet. We didn't see that guy back up yet that was tied to the tree. We haven't seen him yet. And so yeah, that was it. As I told you, it is a weaker chapter of One Piece. It is a good chapter, but still, considering One Piece's level, like it is a weaker chapter, to be honest. From the past like 3, 4, 5 chapters there were. So yeah, there's nothing much to talk about it, but that's it. I don't think so there is a break next week. Yeah, I don't think so there's a break next week. So next week there's gonna be one more chapter. So yeah, if you ended up enjoying the video, I will make again another video for One Piece next week. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more, and I'll meet you in the next one.